Hey, it's me, Mr. Kane. So here's part 2 of the video. You should now be on this slide. You should know how much your diet contributes. And remember, the reason why animals use more energy is because your plants suck carbon out of the air. Animals contribute by breathing out CO2, so they're carbon sources, carbon sinks. And since you have a higher demand for meat, more animals are going to be releasing CO2 in the air. Also, animals are fed veggies that you could be giving to people. Next, how often do you get fast food? If you get fast food all the time, like 3 or more days a week, you get 3 reins. You eat fast food twice a week, 2 reins. Eat fast food once a week, 1 rein. 0 reins, less than twice a month. Like once in a blue moon, you'll have fast food. The reason why it's better to eat local is because fast foods joints use a lot of gas to ship their Big Mac all over the US. And also a lot of their food is processed, which releases more energy. Whereas flea markets and local grocers, they are much better because they use little energy since they're close by. All the food is grown naturally and they don't have to ship it very far. Next one, personal habits. How long do you take showers? So 3 reins, 20 minutes or more, 2 reins, 15 minutes or more, 1 rein, around 10 minutes, 0 reins, 5 or less minutes. And I want you to think energy is used to heat all that water. Also, if you do cold showers, you're still using energy because fresh water takes energy to purify. Next, how do you drink your water? 3 reins, drink 2 or more plastic bottles a day. 1 rein, you drink 1 plastic bottle a day. 0, you have a water bottle. Reuse glasses, or water fountains. The reason why is because a lot of energy is used to make plastic. Plastic is made in factories, which is why it's a lot better to use paper bags and reusable containers. Next one, housing and energy. How does it look like for energy use during night? So 3 reins, do you fall asleep with your TV on or your phone on? If you're playing something in the background, 3 reins. If you fall asleep with the music on, 2. 1 ring, you fall asleep with the light on. 0, you sleep alone in the dark and quietly. Cool. So everyone, please total up all of your reins right here. And then I want you to think, after you total them up, here's the scale. And then think, what is a natural way to stop climate change? Think about an organism that can suck carbon out of the air. And then explain why it works. And then last thing, remember, the more reins you contribute, the more you contribute to climate change. Last question. Congratulations, you were just elected President of the United States. And it is the year 2015. And as your first policy, you are to write a bill to slow down climate change. Your policy must outline what Americans must do to stop excessive carbon emissions and reverse global warming. Your new law must tell Americans what they must do, and you must explain why it will work. Note your law must be practical. It cannot call for the death of other people or animals. You get 5 points for having the law, and the other 5 points for explaining why it'll slow down climate change. Cool. That's the last thing, everyone. Great job. Thank you for staying the whole time. Have a great day. Bye.